Hi, this is Sean Stewart. I am the CEO of Guiding Hands Credit Services, Better Properties Real Estate, and I am a sales manager in the mortgage industry. I'm coming to bring you one quick tip on how you can repair your credit. Maybe you don't need help with repairing your credit, but maybe you know someone who does. Maybe you know someone who wants to repair their credit, get qualified to purchase a home, and open the doors to their home. So I come to bring that to you. Today's first step is let's first talk about why credit is so important, because this is what I found. I've been doing this for over 15 years, and I found that if you improve your credit, you improve your life. If you would like advice, if you would like assistance, feel free to text me. You can reach me at 253-315-5400, or you can visit my website, www.guidingyourcredit.com. Okay, let's talk about that first step. The first step in repairing your credit is personal data. What personal data is on your credit report is typically that first section. It deals with your name, your address, your previous address, your employer, your social security number, your phone number, your date of birth. Why is that important? Well, you go and you apply for a home loan, or you go and you apply for an auto, just a couple things. Personal loan, you go and apply for a personal loan. You're giving the information over to a loan officer, for example. They're entering your information into their computer system. It's very likely that errors will take place. Maybe they misspell your name by one letter, or your social security number is incorrect. Well, that could create issues. That create issues such as your information being commingled with someone else's information. If they put the wrong address in, that could create an issue with someone identity theft, which is the fastest growing crime that we face today. Now, how does that benefit you when you're repairing your credit? If you first challenge that negative information, it opens the door to get items off of your report. Lots of times, negative information is attached to negative accounts. Negative personal data is attached to negative accounts. That's the first step. So maybe you missed the boat. You weren't taught about credit. You weren't taught about finances, or you went through a traumatic situation, went through a divorce, you had medical issues, and you just couldn't pay your bills. The bills got sent to collection, and as a result of that, you got collections on your credit report. Well, maybe they didn't 100% accurately report the information on your credit report. That happens most of the time. By you taking this first step and disputing the way in which it's appearing on your credit report, the personal data, the next step may help you get those items off of your credit report. And that's what we found. We've had a lot of success over the years with helping our clients get that negative information off their credit report. We've also had a lot of success in our credit masterclass, where we teach other people how to remove negative accounts from their credit reports. Okay, that's your quick tip for today. Have a blessed day.